Hi all, today I'm gonna make some very tasty and healthy Indian pancakes. Basically these pancakes are very good for toddlers, as we all know that our toddlers tend to deny our daily food because they feel bored of usual food and mums have a tough time feeding them. So these pancakes can do wonders. Not only kids but all of you can enjoy them as a delicious meal. So we will quickly start with the ingredients, not taking much of your time. Here we have a cup of whole wheat, some chili flakes, one-fourth teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, boiled potatoes mashed or grated 1 cup, tomato puree 3/4 cup, salt as per taste, and some oil for cooking. Now we'll start making the batter. We'll put 1 cup of whole wheat, some salt as per taste, one teaspoon of cumin seeds, some chili flakes. Chili flakes can be added as per our taste. Some black pepper, not much. Then we'll mix all dry ingredients slowly. Once it is mixed, we'll add some water to it. Firstly, we'll add 1 cup of water. Adding gradually makes the batter more smoother. Okay. 1 cup of the batter is added. 1 cup of water to the batter is added. We mix it. We'll add some more water. We have added 1 cup already. Now we'll add a little bit more. We can add just a little more. Not much thick, not much loose. Now we'll add some tomato puree to it. Mashed or grated boiled potatoes. It's better to always boil the potatoes rather than just grating and adding to the batter. It gives a good taste of boiled potatoes in these pancakes. Mix it well. If you can see the consistency is not much loose or not much thick. It's correct as we make the pancakes, normal pancakes. You can mix it well. Now we can add some fresh coriander leaves to it. Okay, we are done with the batter. Once the batter is ready, we'll heat a pan. We'll brush some oil on the pan once it is heated. Not much oil is required. Just a little bit of oil to be brushed in the pan. Slowly pouring the batter. 1 spoonful batter on the pan. Slowly spreading it. You can maintain a low heat because it will take a little bit of time to cook. And sprinkle some more oil on the top. Cook it on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Flip the pancake on the other side now. It's very smooth. You can see the color has changed. Similarly, we have to cook on the other side as well. These are very healthy. As breakfast, you can have it as a meal, a dinner, whenever you want. Because it has potatoes, it has tomato, and healthy whole wheat. You can cook it on a higher flame as well to make it a little more brown. If you like a roasted food, you will check on the other side whether it is okay. Here we see it's almost done. You can always make a bigger size pancake if you want, but these sizes are very good and I prefer these kind of sizes mostly. So here we go. It's ready for the serving. Ready for the serve. Topped up with some butter. You can have it with Szechuan sauce or tomato ketchup as your taste. Okay then guys. Bye bye. See ya.